You're in the band. Cool. Okay, I'll tell you what. Wait. I have. You want a blue one? Okay. And you want a green one? And you want a yellow? Okay. So what is your name? Naya and Ginger, and what is your name? Oliver. Okay. So Naya and Ginger and Oliver are going to play the eggs, and I'm going to play the drum, and you're going to clap your hands, and here we go. Eggs.
Me.
What? You want to play? You. Whoa, man! This gonna take a long time. All right, I'll tell you what. If you just sit right there, the librarians are going to bring baskets of eggs, and everybody will have an egg. And when you have your egg, you start playing along, and we'll all play together. Here they come with the eggs right now. They're passing them out. I can hear those eggs. I can hear ya. You're playing it. Okay, you got an egg? Who needs an egg? Raise your hand if you don't have an egg. Okay, all right. We're going to play a song together. You play the eggs. I'll play the drums. We're going to play a song, and it has numbers and words. Very, very old song. There's lots of books in this library with this song in it. Let's do it together. If you know it, sing along. Here we go. 1, 2, on my shoe. 3, 4, shuffle, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 11, straight. 9, 10, a big fat hip. 9, 10, a big fat hip. Okay, who knows that song? Raise your hand. All right, let me hear you sing it. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shuffle, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 11, straight. 9, 10, a big fat hip. 9, 10, a big fat hip. Okay, this time I'll sing the numbers. You sing the words. I'll play the drum for the numbers. You play the eggs for the words. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. I always do that last part because I like to say, big fat him. Okay, this time the drum will sing the numbers. I won't sing anything. You'll have to remember the numbers in your head. But you sing the words and play your drum. Here we go. Play your eggs. Here we go. This time, the drum sings the numbers, the eggs sing the words. We don't sing anything. We just play our instruments. Are you ready? Here we go.